Okay, today we're here at Knott's Berry Farm, and I went to the Gourmet Churro factory, and I got their cinnamon toast crunch churro sundae. So there's actually a churro that's coiled up underneath here, and then the soft serve, and then whoa, it's already melting. Caramel sauce, and then cinnamon toast crunch cereal. Let me try some of this first. Okay, here's some churro. Oh, a big piece. That churro actually wasn't that bad. It's still slightly warm, so it must not have been sitting there very long. Knott's actually makes their own churros, but if you don't get them when they're fresh and they let them sit there, then they taste stale. So let's see, what am I going to give this? This one was $11. Obviously not on the meal plan, not on the snack plan either, I don't think, because it's a specialty item. So I think I'm going to get this an A, because the churro actually is pretty good today, and obviously the ice cream's always good. And then the cinnamon toast crunch gives it a nice crunch to it. So yeah, if you want to come get this, it's probably only going to be here during the summer. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video and not trip on everything. So I'm going to take another bite and I'll see you in the next one.